Hello you guys, there we go. So I just got an email right now saying that my package has been delivered. So let's go check on that real quick. So, it has, which is kind of funny. I was actually just playing Star Wars right now. Just kind of getting my ass whooped. So, package is here. FedEx just delivered it. Like usual, this is going to be like a partial on-screen unboxing. Enough for you to see, but not enough for me to, I don't know, show everything. So let's just go ahead and cut open the box. Just to preface, I ordered this on January 13th and today is March 5th. So a lot of people have been asking me how long these take to ship. So I'm just giving you that time frame I seen on my last video. And so I would say just add whatever time or how many days, it's about 5 weeks maybe. Add that on to the day that you ordered your package. And that should give you kind of what the time would be. So first thing at the top of the bag, or the box, is this little bag with their Ultrasabers paper in it. It's pretty much their advertisement. And I didn't expect it to come with a blade plug, but it did. If we can, blade plug, just a plain one. I miss back in the day when they'd give out the like options for different ones. And the little retention screw, you know what that looks like. It's the little Allen key. And let's try to open this saber without accidentally clicking the light. So you guys will see what I get when I dim all the, well, shut the blinds and show you. And I also, it's a GrabBag saber, so I do not know what body I got or what hilt I got. Ooh. Money shot. Oh my god, camera, let's go. Came with a cover tech clip, so that's awesome. Guarded switch. Black anodized metal with the silver here, and it has windows. And then the pommel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, dim the lights right now, and I will show you what color it is. So to be honest with you, I'm betting on a red. Not that I want a red, but I think it's gonna be a red. Yep, definitely knew it. This is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show some close-ups with my iPhone, just to show you the body of the saber. And again, this, just like my last one, has that sound. The little metal grooves. It's actually really comfortable and very light, surprisingly. And then the lights in the emitter, very nice. Okay, I'm just shooting this part on my iPhone, so sorry if the quality looks a little bit less, or sounds. So I looked into it, and this is actually the Dark Liberator V3 from Saberforge. And it is a $100 saber. Got this in the GrabBag one, so I'm pretty happy. The windowed emitter, I think that's really like a nice selling point for this saber. And the non-anodized metal looks amazing. This saber actually measures 11.5 inches, so pretty good length saber. And right here, more anodized, non-anodized cutout, your guarded switch. Another one right here. And if you slightly notice, it's a little bit thinner right here in the saber, in the middle right here, than it is on the end or the tip. Also the nice pommel with the dual finish on those. And this one actually came with a cover tech clip, so which is pretty exciting. And like I said, I got the blazing red. So that looks amazing. This saber is actually really light and feels amazing to twirl around in your hand. And there's not a whole lot of obstructions on the body itself for your hand to catch or for your hand to get kind of raw when twirling it around like I do for my Saberforge Talon, since there is a couple sharp points. So I just showed you the close-ups, and there you have it. I'm quite happy with my saber. It did take a while to get here because of obviously what's happening in the world right now with the virus, and that's affecting next to near every business that does orders overseas. So yeah, I'm really excited. Super happy that I got this. It's nice to have another red saber since the other little red one is my nephew's. And now I have myself one. And again, guys, be patient with the companies right now. They're doing their best. We're just leaving Star Wars season, so everybody kind of wants a saber right now. I think in the coming few months, things will start to settle down. However, obviously with the virus coming around, we don't know the foreseeable future what's going to happen. So yeah, stay patient. These sabers are honestly well worth it, especially if you're waiting for your first one or even like upgraded ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I replied to all of my comments, so you guys have a nice day. Thank you guys.